Hey you guys, it's Ivana here at Express Prints, and today is 9th of November. So we are continuing with our Christmas extravaganza. We're going to be creating some stunningly beautiful, colorful Christmas images that you would not believe are possible. So guys, we're going to be creating images like this and this and this and this. How amazing, right? Guys, so in my previous tutorial, we've been actually using a tuner feature on Midjourney that also gave us some truly stunning images. And if you haven't seen that tutorial, I'm going to pop the link underneath this video, but because that's really also something that you should look into if you're looking for colorful, beautiful designs that will elevate your artwork to another level. But in this tutorial, we're going to be, from my other videos that I love the Vary feature on Midjourney, and we are going to be, well, there's a two-step process that we're going to be using. Very, very simple. I will lead you through it and we'll have fun. So let's just get started. Guys, welcome back. And here we are in my Midjourney website. And I'm just so excited to show you what we're going to be creating. So just quickly show you over here. So let's take a look at these. I mean, look how gorgeous these are, right? It will be pretty hard to achieve this effect just on its own in Midjourney. Of course, we could play around with it, but this is a very simple method, guys, and you can create Christmas artwork for whatever you need, whether it's mobile phone backgrounds that you're selling, or desktop backgrounds, or Christmas cards, or Christmas clip art. These are absolutely stunning. So these are the red ones. And I've also got some in a different color. So let's take a look at these purpley ones. Oh my God, look at these, right? So, so beautiful. Just a very, very beautiful gold and purple combination here. We've got blue ones as well, green. Oh, just lovely. Okay, guys, I know that you can't wait to get started. So let's just get into it, how I created this. Okay, let's pop over back to my Midjourney. So guys, I am using Vary feature. You've seen some of my other videos on how I create some stunning artworks using this feature. And I do feel that this feature is a little bit underused in our artworks, but I really love this feature and I'm using it to the maximum. So first things first, I created my background. So guys, the background that I created was this beautiful fluid painting in maroon with gold foil across it. So this is what I created. I'm just going to open it up in my Discord so that you can see what I mean. It doesn't really matter the aspect ratio, guys, with this one, because we are going to be obviously creating a Vary feature. We're going to be using Very Strong. And look how gorgeous it is, right? It's just, oh, look at this. You can really see the texture of the gold foil in it and the maroon splash there. Gorgeous. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my artwork, the finished artwork, any really. So I'm just going to copy this prompt. So copy prompt, and just going to hop over to here, and I'm going to click Very Strong, and I'm just going to take the whole prompt off and add my new prompt, okay? And because I want it for Christmas cards, I'm going to be adding 3:2 aspect ratio so that it fits beautifully as Christmas card, but also I'm using it for my desktop background and host of other things as well. But you can also add Christmas clip art if you prefer. And I'm just going to submit, and I'm just going to jump to present. And now we have our beautiful artwork created. Oh my goodness, let's take a look at these. How beautiful, right? I mean, these are just so gorgeous. The maroon color and the gold go so well together. And guys, this is how easy it is to create some truly stunning artwork that, not everyone is selling or not everyone is designing. So I just quickly want to show you again how we did this. So first things first, I created this background, fluid painting in maroon with gold foil, and then I did the vary feature. So I upscaled the image that I wanted. Let's just quickly open it again so I show you. Going off to Discord. That'll be a good day when we don't have to go to Discord again, huh? And then sort of basically upscale whichever you want. Pretty much I like all of these, and then just click Very Strong and just delete this and put Christmas, anything really. Yeah, Christmas scene, and just And there you have it. We created some truly beautiful and stunning artworks using two-step process. So we first created background and then we simply use the vary feature. Guys, so this is it for this YouTube tutorial. Now, this tutorial continues on my Patreon website, where we're going to be taking a look at these as well. So the purpley, we're going to be creating green. We're going to be creating some truly beautiful, stunning colors. Pretty much basically the system is the same. We're going to be using different backgrounds. I'll just be giving you tips on what kind of backgrounds we can use to create stunning features like this. So guys, if you feel that you would benefit from more learning about this type of sort of like designing and creating artworks, I would love to welcome you in my Patreon community. Basically, I have two tiers, basic and the highlighted tiers, which is at $10 a month, which is, I think it's a fantastic value because you are getting access to this advanced prompting course where every Wednesday at 11 a.m. I am adding new in-depth tutorials on all sorts of different things. So look what we are learning to create. We're doing modifiers, we're doing algorithms, and obviously, like deeper prompting into creating Christmas designs and much, much more. So, guys, I would love to see you there if you feel that you would like to, get more information about how to create these and more tips and more advice. But if not, like I know you will have so much fun with this as well. So, guys, keep creating, keep being happy, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye bye.